Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this NaBeautyHair right here. The hair is actually water wave lace front wig. It comes with the wig cap, 3D lashes, and an instruction of how to take care of your hair, and it also comes with an elastic band as well. This is what the hair looks like. The hair actually comes with 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back. It also has an elastic strap, and the construction of the cap is 13 by 6, which means you have an extra 6 parting space, to pat the hair anywhere you like. And that's the construction of the cap really. I decided to go ahead and apply the hair on my head. I applied it got to be glued on my cap, and I blow dried it and cut off the excess excess cap off my head. And after that, I applied the glue, got to be glue on my head, and I blow dried it, and I applied the wig on the areas where I applied the gel on my head, if that makes sense. Then that's all I did so far. I combed the hair backward to show you guys what the front of the hair looks like. Bear in mind that the hair also comes with baby hair around the perimeters. So if you're the type that like baby hair, there's baby hair around the perimeters of the hair, both front and back. Please bear in mind that you don't necessarily need to use glue or gel to secure the wig, because the hair is actually glueless. So you can apply the hair with the elastic strap that was in the wig cap, to secure the hair. Or if you like, you can use the elastic band. You can sew it in the elastic band that was actually in the box. You can sew it in the wig cap, just to use that to secure the hair. So you have the choice as well to do that. So you don't necessarily need to use a glue or gel to apply the hair, but depending on the look you're going for. But if you want to wear the hair for a while, then you can use your glue, you can use your gel. But if you want that on and off, when you get back home, you just want to take off your wig kind of style, then feel free to use the elastic strap in the, box, or in the cap rather. So the hair was not pre-plucked to my taste, because it was just slightly pre-plucked. So I decided to do a little bit of plucking to the hair, and that's just me showing you the difference between the areas that I plucked and the difference between the areas that was not plucked. I just did a little tiny bit of plucking, nothing serious at all. So depends on you. You can style it without plucking it, so whatever you choose or fancy anyway. And remember that you can pat the hair anywhere you like, because the hair actually comes with a 6-inch pat. You can pat it anywhere you like. You can also wear the hair wet or dried, but this is just me styling, showing you guys what style I would go for wearing this hair. I went for the center part, I went for the half part, I went for all the types of part that I could go for. But I was just feeling myself, so I decided to show you guys the center part without applying any powder or anything at all on the parts, just for the sake of the video really. But in actual fact, if I really want to go for a center part, as you guys already know, that I do normally apply my foundation or powder on my parts, just to make it look more obvious, which I'm going to show you guys in a bit. So I applied my Huda Beauty cinnamon powder on my parts, which I put excess of powder, and I showed you guys how I took off the excess powder. Normally I use my toothbrush. I'll apply or spray water on it and use it to clean the excess powder or concealer. But in this case, I sprayed the water on my palm and I applied that on my hair just to take off the excess powder. That's why it's easier for me to apply powder rather than going for concealer or foundation, because it tends to take time to go off the hair. And taking off the excess powder or concealer with mascara is quite ew for me really, because sometimes it tends to change the texture of the hair or the color of the hair, because you know not all mascaras are the same. Anyways, moving on, I applied a bit of oil on the hair and also sprayed water on the hair as well, and that's what the hair looks like. That's the part wet and that's the part dried, so depending on the look you really want to go for. My hair was not coming out, so at the end of the day I applied a little bit that I had on my palm on the hair, and voila, that's what the hair looks like. What do you guys think? Like seriously, do you prefer wearing your hair big or do you prefer wearing your wave wet? What do you prefer? Just let me know in the comment section below. But for me, I do like to wear my curly hair wet, but sometimes I do like that big hair don't care, but in most cases I do tend to wet my hair. So that's it for me for now. Please stay tuned to watch the review, and thank you so much for all your support. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this water wave hair right here. The hair is actually from Nat Beauty and is in the length 20 inches. The hair is a lace frontal wig and it has 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, and it also has an elastic strap as well. The hair has been slightly pre-plucked straight from the box, but I did a little bit of work at the front of it, just a tiny bit of plucking at the front. But apart from that, I am really loving the hair. The hair is really soft to touch. Look at that. There has been no shedding or tangling whatsoever. You can also pat the hair anywhere you like because the centimeter of the hair is actually 13 by 6. And you also have 6 inches parting space to work with, so you can pat the hair anyhow you like. I decided to go for a sad part for some reason, I don't know why, but I am loving the hair so far. The hair is really full. I didn't really apply a lot of products on the hair. Look at the curls guys, look at that. I didn't really apply a lot of products on it. I only applied water and free spray, which I am loving the curls. I am loving the curls. I really love the curl pattern of the hair. The hair is really wavy, even though it's water wave. I am feeling the, you know, the curl pattern of the hair. It's so soft. Another thing I really like about the hair is the fact that the hair is really full and it's definitely true to length. It's in the length 20 inches, and look at that. That's what the hair looks like. Bear in mind that you can wear the hair wet and you can wear the hair, you know, big, and you can wear the hair anyhow you like. Apart from the fact that you can style it anyhow you like, you can decide to wear the hair without wetting it to have that big full look. But if you like, if you're the type that like curls like me, because I really like my curls, then go ahead and wet the hair and apply any product of your choice on the hair, and the curls will be popping just like this. The hair is actually dry right now, and you can still tell that the curls are still popping. Look at that guys, the curls are still popping the same way it was when the hair was actually wet. So depending on the look you're going for, if you're the type that like that wet curly hair, then go ahead and, you know, apply any product of your choice to make the hair look wet and, you know, wavy. But you're the type that like big hair, don't care, fluffy hair, then go ahead and then feel free to brush the hair to bring out the voluminous wave that you really want to go for. Another thing that I really like about the hair is the fact that the hair is really soft. It's very soft and it's true to length, and also the packaging of the hair is absolutely cute, like cute. If you're the type that like cute packaging like me, then you definitely like the packaging. The packaging is really cute and stylish. So if you're not wearing the hair, you can feel free to, you know, store the hair in the box neat and clean. I really like that. I really like the packaging of the hair. So it's there for you to, you know, store the hair in case you're not wearing it, and the hair will still be neat and clean. The hair will be neatly packed and, you know, clean in the box. So, and I also like the fact that their shipping was really quick, and they keep you up to date about the processing of the hair. And also the packaging comes with a free wig cap, a free make lash, and elastic band. So those are the things that comes in the packaging, which is really nice. And also, if you're the type that don't like applying gel or glue on your hair, feel free to use the elastic strap at the back of the hair to, you know, secure the hair, and you can still have the hair as an updo without applying glue or gel, because the hair is actually glueless. So all you need to do is just to apply the comb at the back of the hair on the elastic strap and you're good to go. So depending on the look you're going for, I just decided to go for this part today because, you know, obviously you guys know you can style your hair anyhow you like, so feel free to style it anyhow you like. I also like the fact that the cap fits me from hair to hair, so there was no need for me to cut out excess lace whatsoever. So I really like that about the hair. The cap fits so perfectly without needing to, you know, cut any excess lace or anything like that. I really like the quality of the hair. It looks so much like hair that would last me for a long time. I like the quality of the hair and the fact that the hair is really full. And bear in mind that you can bleach the hair, you can dye it, you can straighten it, and you can tongue it too, depending on the look you're going for. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.